Reading and learning. Let's start. The big cat. Sam has a big cat. The cat is fat. It sits on a mat. The cat has a red hat. Sam and the cat nap. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job. Now let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. Who has a cat? Who has a cat? A. Sam. B. Tim. Or C. Pat. A. Sam. Number 2. What does the cat sit on? What does the cat sit on? A. A hat. B. A mat. Or C. A rat. B. A mat. Number 3. What do Sam and the cat do? What do Sam and the cat do? A. Run. B. Nap. Or C. Play. B. Nap. Good job. Let us go to the next lesson. Tim and the pig. Tim has a pig. The pig is big. It is in a pit. The pig can dig. Tim and the pig hop. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job. Now, let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. Who has a pig? Who has a pig? A. Sam. B. Tim. Or C. Kim? B. Tim. Number 2. Where is the pig? Where is the pig? A. In a pit. B. On a mat. Or C. On a log? A. In a pit. Number 3. What can the pig do? What can the pig do? A. Run. B. Dig. Or C. Nap? B. Dig. Good job. Let us go to the next lesson. Dan and the dog. Dan has a dog. The dog can run. The dog has a tag. Dan and the dog jog. The dog sits on a log. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Good job. Now let us answer the following. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Number 1. Who has a dog? Who has a dog? A. Dan. B. Ben. Or C. Anne? A. Dan. Number 2. What does the dog have? What does the dog have? A. A hat. B. A tag. Or C. A bag? B. A tag. Number 3. What do Dan and the dog do? What do Dan and the dog do? A. Play. B. Run. or C, jug? C, jug. Good job. See you in the next lesson.